In this video, I will show you how to trademark a clothing brand. So it kind of depends which service I recommend for doing this. So I do always recommend going through a service, since that's just going to save you a bunch of time. Now by service, I mean a company like Busy or LegalZoom or Rocket Lawyer that can help you do that. Now, if you have already set up an LLC or another business type for your clothing brand, then I recommend first going to the place which you used to set it up. For example, if you use Busy, then I recommend looking at Busy. If you use LegalZoom, I recommend going to LegalZoom and just search for that provider that you used and then add Trademark to it. Because if they offer that, then it's easiest to just go through there since you already have a company portal and it will just be all in one convenient place. But if you haven't yet formed your business, or maybe you just did it yourself, or the service that you use doesn't offer trademarks, then I would go with Busy. So just go to busy.com. It was previously called Inkfile, so you may know it. And then here under these services, under other, you can see get a trademark. So just click on that. And then here you can register a trademark. So just click on order now. And then here first enter your contact info. Then here enter your company information, so what is your entity type and in which state are you registered, so for example Texas. And then they will ask for your company name, and then they will ask for the designator and your company name. Then enter your company address right here. Then here for the trademark information, first select the appropriate type of trademark, so is it a name, slogan, or a design or logo. I'll go with a name in this case. Then please write out the name exactly as you want it to appear on the application. Or if you do a design or logo, then just enter this, but I'll just enter name. Then list the products or services offered using the trademark, so clothing or specifically t-shirts, apparel, whatever you want. For example, I'll enter apparel. Then are you currently using the mark? I'll say yes. And then by clicking this checkbox, I have read the acknowledgement, so I'm going to read that and then click next. And then here for your billing info, you need to enter that. And now you can see it is a bit expensive. So a filing fee in Texas specifically for a trademark is $350. And then for Busy, the attorney fee is $150. And then the package fee, $149. Now the filing fee you will need to pay no matter what. So more than half of this is not going to go to Busy, but I do really recommend going through a service like this so that one, you know it's done right, and two, it is just going to save you a whole bunch of time. And it's just an initial investment that you may have to make if you want to get the trademark. So you can just enter your details here and then click complete and pay, and then you will be able to log into Busy and check on the updates, and basically they are just going to get your trademark for you. So now you know how to get a trademark for a clothing brand. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.